Hello dear students, today we are going to continue lesson number 3, internal conflicts resolution, page number 23. The other day I have already talked to you about the conflict. What is the meaning of conflict? Conflict means is a struggle or an oppositions. It can arise from opposing ideas, or we can also say it is an conflict is an open clash between two opposing groups or individuals. So just remember all these things, okay, that I have already told you in the previous class. And then we have seen the four different kinds of conflicts. The first one, okay, persons with self. The second one, okay, persons with another persons. And third one, the persons with nature. And fourth one, persons with society. So see, these are the four kinds of conflict that I have already discussed in the previous video. And today I'll be talking to you about the conflicts, which I have divided into two: internal conflicts and the external conflict. Then one more I'll be telling you, that is a way to prevent a conflict. Ways to prevent conflict. So what are some ways, to prevent the conflict? Though there are problems, difficulties, but there are also ways to solve all this. And we will see the road blocks in our communications. What are some road blocks? What are some road blocks in our communication? So dear children, we are going to see the types of conflict, internal and external, the ways to prevent conflict, and the thirdly, which I have written, what are some roadblocks in our communications. So these are the three things I'll be discussing with you. First of all, let us try to understand what is an internal conflict. What does it mean? Many people have inner conflicts every day and many times a day. So internal conflict can make a person feel frustrated, irritated or upset, and sometimes people take out on others, though who do not know about the person's conflict. So what happened here, an internal conflict is what? Is a state where a person feels frustrated, irritated and upset. And what happened, and sometimes all this frustrations, maybe the irritations or maybe sadness, what happened, it is poured out on the others who do not even know what the person's inner conflict is. For example, we can see from here, there is a girl named Meera and her younger sister. And here we will see this younger sister, not younger, the elder sister, Meera, was planning to go to watch a movie with her friends, but then she remembers that she has to study as her tests are approaching, and therefore she could not go. And so she returns home and started scolding started pouring out all the angers, frustrations on whom? On to her younger sister. Because of what? Because the younger sister is using what? Using her color pencils. Though younger sister has asked permission from Meera, still she pours out all the anger to her. Do you remember a time when you got angry, upset or irritated with someone because you had an inner conflict? Have you ever had this kind of situations? Let us now go on to the next one. I think the internal conflict is understood. So as I already told you, it is a state of persons where he or she feels frustrated, irritated, upset, and sometimes all those angers, all those irritations and frustrations is poured out on to the others who may not be knowing what has gone wrong with the persons. So this is what internal conflict means. And external, when we talk about external, when people let out their anger or irritations from an inner conflict on another person's or persons, then it can create an external conflict. So the moment all this inner conflict are poured out onto somebody, then what can create? Then it can create an external conflict. For example, okay, what happened? We have already seen that Meera yelled at her younger sister. So as a result, okay, younger sister also does something. So what does she do? Let's see. Meera yelled at her sister, who started crying. So outburst, okay, we can see the result, okay, started crying and complained to her parents. So this is what the younger sister also did. She could not, okay, bear all the, okay, maybe the shoutings which her sister has done. So she goes and informs parents. So this is what the external, okay, conflict means. So external means it is showed, isn't it? What is showed there? Just like, okay, being punished by parents. So who will be punished? I think Meera, of course. When she informs, okay, the parents, certainly okay, Meera will be punished for what she has done. Page number 27. Okay, if you have some questions, please try to do, okay, whichever is wrong, you just put a cross mark. If these statements are correct, then take it. Let us now see, okay, the how to prevent conflict. As I've already written here, the ways to prevent. Let us see that. Prevent conflict. What are the ways? Okay, the first one, let us see. We can prevent all these things by, maybe we can see, by talking. We can prevent all the problems of the conflict, okay, by talking to the others. Maybe there is a communication gap. Just because of that, okay, the problem is not solved. So we need to talk to the other persons. Okay, talking is one of the best way to prevent conflict. Then second one, listening. We must listen to the others, okay, what the person is trying to tell. And often what happens, okay, without listening to the others, okay, we start pouring out all the anger, all the frustrations, or whatever that we have. So just because we are not ready to listen, and that's why we come into what is there? Come into problem. Come into this kind of, okay, problem known as the conflict. Next one, we can understanding. So if we have this one, no understanding with one another, then certainly there will not be any kind of problems. So the first one, as I already told you, okay, communication gap, okay, that is talking. We need to talk to each other. And when the other person is talking, okay, you must have that habit of listening also, and then understand the matter. All these makes up communications, and resolving the conflict needs effective communication. So what we require is that, in one word we can say, effective communications are the best thing, okay, which is required. Effective communications. If there is no communications, then surely, okay, there will not be end to the conflict. So in order to bring an end or to stop all this conflict, we need to have effective communication. As we have seen, okay, what do the animal do? What do they do? When animals have a conflict, they will either, okay, fight. What do the animals do? They will either fight, or what do? They will either, okay, they will either fight or else run away. You know, if they see that, okay, they are stronger enough, they are able to, okay, resist, then they fight back, or else they run away. Human beings can do the same, but they can also talk and think of solutions. So what do the human being can do? Humans can do one more thing, okay, that is what? Okay, talk, as I already told you, okay, talk, or we can write not or, let us make it and think of a solutions. Think of a solution. So if we do this, certainly there will not be any problem. So as I already told you, the ways to prevent, first you need to talk. Because what is missing, as I already told you, effective communications. We are not able to communicate with each other. Then listening. Often, okay, what happens, we are not ready to listen to the other. And there is no understanding among us. And therefore, we have this problem. So here we see, when we talk about animals, what do they do? Animals, okay, either they fight or else run away. So we should also do the same thing, okay. We must see, okay, what can be done to it. So the human being can talk, they have the ability, you talk, or else you can think of the solutions. So dear children, okay, I think I have made you able to understand, okay, whatever things I have told you, I think it is understood. And we have one more, okay, though I just said that I will be explaining, but then today we are not going to do, maybe on the next video I will tell you about the roadblocks in our communications. So we have completed up to page number 28, and questions from 27, whichever questions are there, please try to do it. Thank you so much.